How to connect Bluetooth. Press the selection key. Switch to Bluetooth connection interface. Press the upper right corner of ThinkRight app. Search Bluetooth name of instrument. Press pair and agree. Once connected, it will show the email address. Support Bluetooth dynamic navigation. Ensure instrument stay connection with ThinkRight app. Press the navigation area to input destination. Under Bluetooth navigation status, support the phone lock screen. To use navigation, support display app message. Ensure instrument stay connection with ThinkRight app. Press the selection key. Switch to message display interface. Like to receive app messages. The content of a message will display on message display interface. Support music control. Ensure instrument stay connection with ThinkRight app. Support music play when lock the screen of a phone. Press the left button. Play pause music of your phone. Press and hold left button switch to a previous music. Press and hold right button switch to the next music.